In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix some keys not working on a laptop keyboard and how you could fix the keyboard if it stops working completely. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, keyboard problems can obviously be super frustrating because really you can't do too much on a laptop or PC without a keyboard. So let's start with some of the most common solutions. Go ahead and right click on the start button just like so. Once you right click on this, go ahead and find device manager, open it up, and what you're going to want to do is find keyboards on here. Go ahead and select this, and then go ahead and find your laptop keyboard in here. It might be just listed as one of these devices. Go ahead and find it, right click on it, hit update driver, and then hit search automatically for drivers. If there's a driver update available, go ahead and update your driver. From here, close out of this stuff and see if your keyboard is working. If it's still not working, you're going to want to uninstall your keyboard device by just right clicking it again, hitting uninstall device, and then restart your computer just by going down to the start button, hitting it, and then of course hitting restart just like so. As soon as your laptop boots back up again, test the keyboard again, and in many cases, this is going to completely fix the keys that weren't working before, and it really is as simple as that. Those are the two best fixes to fix laptop keyboard keys not working. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.